I finally got the MacBook M3 Air, and this is 16 GB, 60 GB RAM, 8 core memory. Sorry, 8 core. What is it, Dhruv? CPU, 8 core CPU. And let's see. I don't know how to use it. This is my very first time. I'm just shifting it from Windows to MacBook. Thoughts. So finally, after 8 years, this moment has come. So because I was using Dell from long time, so yeah, this is like normal unboxing. This will be easy to set up, right, bro? You have MacBook M1 Pro? Okay. Oh, nice. This is very light and weight. Nice one.
Yeah.
It sounded hello. Let's remove this. How to remove it? Nice. So it took some time to come hello also, until I can just remove that page or cover. It does not have enter key. Oh, the return is the enter key. Okay. Okay, select your country or region. United States. Oh, should I press 2 times?
No, continue button is there.
What are these? Vision, motor,
You
hearing?
don't have anything, not now.
I can do it later as well, right? Okay, connected now. What to do? Simply continue. Go on. Just ask me whether should I transfer it from Windows PC or no. Let it be at the moment because my Windows PC, Windows laptop is.
Not now.
Okay. I have the Apple ID. Okay, I will add it. I have to look for it and then I will just continue. So now the MacBook is all set. He's just setting up like all the widgets and all on the screen. So let's see how it turns out. I don't know any settings. So in the box, they have provided us with the adapter and one cable. That's it. This is the box of stickers and all. They will just keep inside it. I guess so. They should have silver color stickers. Let's look for it. Oh yes, very light. They give all the access, all the stuff, like cable, wire, as well as the stickers. Which color you have the laptops of those colors, they will just provide you with that thing. So now I have taken the silver color because silver is my favorite. Everything is silver, so I got the laptop silver as well. One adapter. I didn't open it. Still the charge of my laptop is 50%, I guess. I will keep this safe. Everything. One thing Apple has done it, like they have covered all accessories really good, that you don't find it opening it all the time. Like see the packaging of this cable. Ask me fingerprint. I don't know. But Dhruv has done everything and I have to just figure it out how to use it. I don't know anything, how search and history I have to do. Okay. Yes, it opened. So he added some widget over here and made changes like this. You can just take it out, widgets from here, and here is, I guess, trackpad. That's it. So far so good. Let's explore how this works. Thank you.